Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you how oat milk is a good alternative to dairy milk. Made from whole grain rolled oats or steel cut oats, oat milk is the best option when you're looking for something creamy. It's highly beneficial for the health, since it is naturally high in fiber and iron. Just like ordinary milk, this alternative is rich in calcium, low fat, and completely free of saturated fat. Oat milk is ideal for weight maintenance, since it's also low in calories. In its most basic form, oat milk is essentially oats and water that have been blended together. It is simple and only takes a few minutes to make. Once strained, a smooth, creamy liquid is the end result. You can add vanilla, cocoa, or fresh fruit to your milk as an optional flavoring. Not only will this milk support your internal health, it can also be used within your regular beauty regimen. Oat milk helps you avoid common allergens. Being free of dairy, oat milk already protects those who cannot properly digest lactose. However, it is also ideal for those who suffer from a nut or soy allergy. Since oats are also typically gluten-free, it's a great alternative for people with strict dietary restrictions. Oat milk helps lower cholesterol. It yields a similar calorie content to cow's milk. However, it is incredibly high in fiber, as well as beta-glucan. Since beta-glucan effectively binds to cholesterol, specifically LDL cholesterol, as it passes through the gut, regular consumption could reduce your risk of heart disease. Oat milk supports optimal well-being. When you break down the nutrient content of oat milk, you will benefit in so many ways. For those who are vegan, for instance, just 1 cup of oat milk yields around 10% of your daily iron intake. Overall, oat milk is said to boost immunity and supports a balanced diet. Oat milk is nourishing for the skin. Based on its lipid and water content, oat milk offers moisturizing properties, removes impurities, and helps eliminate dead skin cells. To combat acne, you can combine oat milk with raw honey. This face mask will leave your skin feeling fresh. Oat milk provides relief after you shave. Whether you experience little red bumps or itchiness after shaving, oat milk can soothe your skin and provide nearly instant relief. In fact, many women take oat milk directly into the shower with them, as this beauty remedy doubles as an oddly luxurious body wash. Oat milk relieves itchy scalp and dry hair. You can also apply oat milk to your hair, either as a rinse or as a leave-in conditioner. Just as oatmeal soothes dry, itchy skin, the same rules apply to your scalp. In turn, this will help you combat dandruff while you strengthen and nourish your hair. Oat milk can support both your internal and external health. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.